Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Adobe Acrobat for the first time. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Acrobat and then hit or enter on your keyboard. Tap on Install. Tap on Install right next to Adobe Acrobat, which will install Adobe Acrobat on your device. After Acrobat has finished installing, or if you already have Acrobat, head over to the search bar on your app drawer and then search for Acrobat. Here you can sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with Apple, or sign in with your Adobe account if you already have an Adobe account. For now, we're going to be hitting on sign in with Adobe. Here you must enter your Adobe account email address and then hit continue to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, simply hit create an account, in which case you'll have to enter your email address along with your password and then hit continue and follow the on-screen instructions to create an Adobe account. After you have logged in your browser, you'll automatically be logged in the app too, and then you can start using all the features of Adobe Acrobat. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.